there we go. All right, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I want to show you guys, I get this question all the time. Well, what I'm going to do is do a video presentation for you to show you how this works. Okay, guys, how can you use instant cash solutions to promote the Fearless Mama? Okay, remember, instant cash solutions has all the ad copy, all the training, everything you need to post ads. Okay, so you're going to take an ad from instant cash solution, okay, and you can use that also to promote the Fearless Mama. Actually, you can use it for anything. Of course, you want to make some sales with the instant cash solution, but this particular training that you're going to get, you can use it with any business that you have. Okay, any business you're trying to promote, you can use instant cash solutions to help you promote it. Let me show you how. Okay, we're going to go in the back office. I'm going to show you how we take an ad, and then we get we place an ad, and then we get the lead. Okay, once you get that lead, that's when you're going to direct them to the Fearless Mama. Okay, so let me show you. Hold on one second here. Okay, we have lots. Use this one, okay, because it looks pretty good. You see all the information it gives you, but at the bottom down here, pay attention to what's in red. It says to apply. Reply to this post, include your name, email, cell phone, and indicate when you're available. Okay, so we're not going to put a link. Okay, we're not going to type a message. We're going to use this image, and when someone's interested, they're going to reply back to my Craigslist ad with their name, email, and cell phone number. Then, okay, I'm going to put them in the Fearless Mama system. Okay, let's check it out. Hold on one second. Okay, for the video, I'm just going to do this real quickly so you can see how this works. Okay, I went to a city in the sales section. I made up a title. Let's say I did Memphis. All this is bogus, okay, because I'm not going to use it. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so let's say this is my ad, and I copied the link for one of the images I want to use, okay? And I filled out this information. Again, all this is bogus, guys, so don't try to send any information to this or any of that. Okay, I put a fake email in there, and I filled out all this information pretty much, okay, on the Craigslist posting, okay? Now, let's just go through it. I'm going to hit continue and just see how it appears, okay? So for this particular, in the job section, it's $25, guys. That's very cheap marketing for the money that you're going to make over here. You can make anywhere from $100 to $500 per sign-up in Instant Cash Solution. Or if you're sending them to Fearless Mama, that's a $250 commission. So you would have only spent $25 and you made a $250 sale. Okay. So anyway, you go down further and voila, there's the picture ad. That's it. It shows up. That's what happens. That's what I like about Instant Cash Solution. And what would happen is when someone sees this, and if they're interested, they're going to reply to the ad. Okay. So when they reply to this ad, they're going to send me the information I requested. Okay. And then when they send me their name, email, and phone number, okay, from my Craigslist response, I'm just going to go right over here to Fearless Mama, right? Because I have their permission to receive the information. They requested more information from my ad. Then I go here. All we want is the email. And you just put the email in there. And you send it, and they're going to be on my autoresponder list. Okay? Just that simple. So you can actually use Instant Cash Solution. Okay? It's an investment. It's an investment to get the education. It just makes sense. Get the education over here. Okay? Get the education on the classified section. Okay? On how to do this. I'm sorry, I'm having some screen issues. So you just want to get the education from here. You send them. What you'll do is just send. You'll take the email and put it in the Fearless Mama system. Boom. Okay? And you can do this with any business. I'm just showing you how you can utilize Instant Cash Solutions ad copy and use it for the Fearless Mama. And guess what's going to happen? It's a domino effect. The person, when they get signed up, they're going to say, okay, I want to place ads too, like you did. Okay. Well, Instant Cash Solutions. They can come in, pick whatever level they're comfortable with. To get started, they can place ads as well. So you still can make money off of Instant Cash Solutions, but it's going to be a great investment to learn how to place ads, because that's what this system is. Okay, and each level gives you more marketing. Okay, the $100 level, the $200 level, the $300, and the $500. Okay, you get a lot of marketing depending on which level you come in. So that's what the levels entail. Okay, so that's how you can use Instant Cash Solutions to promote the Fearless Mama. Okay, and I'm doing that as well. So get Instant Cash Solutions. I'm going to put the link below for that. Okay, and then you can also join me in the Fearless Mama if you're not in that, or if you're a Fearless Mama and want to get the Instant Cash Solutions to help you get sales with the Fearless Mama. Either way, it's going to be a great fit for you. It's just going to make sense. Okay, so again, it's about getting more exposure and more education on how to market. That's all it is. It's a marketing game. Okay, so the more marketing that you have, the different strategies that you can use, the more leads you get in to your business, that's where the sales come in. Okay, so get started with me in both of these, you know, if you haven't in either one, and then I can show you how I'm doing that as well. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. But there's 4 levels to Instant Cash Solutions. Pick which level you're comfortable with: 100, 200, 300, or 500. Okay, and then of course the Fearless Mama is $250 one time, no admin fee. Okay, and there's no monthly fees with either of these. Okay, so get started, guys. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll put the links below for both of them. Okay, so you can check them out and see which one you want to get started with, or both. Okay, and give me a call. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Okay, so till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.